What's up, YouTube? So pretty much the video I'm going to do today is I haven't started my jet ski up in a couple months. I just sold my limited that I put a quick short on about it recently, and pretty much the video is going to be just, if you didn't touch your ski for a couple months, will it run? Do you need a jumper? I don't really know what's going to go on. It does have fuel in it. It's a 2021, so I don't think it should be a problem, but do a little bit of maintenance and see what's up. Hopefully this helps somebody that was curious of what happens when you let your ski sit for months at a time without riding. Now I'm just gonna kind of crank it over. If you're actually gonna run your ski for any bit or any amount of time, I would definitely suggest getting your hose attachment hooked up and running it with water. This is just gonna be just to start it up, make sure it starts, hopefully it does, and kind of go from there. But yeah, this is just to see kind of what the deal is and just make sure everything is good, and if it's not, what we have to do to kind of get it going again. So let's give it first, turn it on. Looks like it's powering up. It's got over a half a tank. Volt is at 11.8, which is the battery. Let's see. So definitely started, which is good, not going to run it long. I just wanted to do just a quick start with that, but I'm going to grab the hose and kind of run it for a little bit, throw some lubricant all over the hoses and whatnot, and kind of go from there. So this is a multi-purpose lubricant. It's a marine lubricant. Kind of was suggested by the dealer to do every once in a while in the engine compartment. I kind of just hit everything just to keep everything a little bit moist or whatnot, so the hoses don't crack and whatnot, and really just spraying everywhere. That's what I was told. I'm no pro, but this is definitely seemed to keep everything nice. All the connectors and whatnot seeming to be pretty good, just sitting around. So that's what I'm going to do now. So good news, started right up. Doesn't seem like any issues with the battery or anything like that, if anybody's curious. I will say I was messing around, just kind of rinsing off the ski and messing around with the seat. It seems like letting it sit isn't the move when it comes to this white pleather or whatever this material is. I'll definitely have to take a scrubber to it and see if it comes off, and kind of give everybody an update on that, if that's something that you have to kind of keep an eye out for. But other than that, the paint and everything held up pretty well everywhere, with just kind of like a rinse. Everything looks like brand new. I mean, the ski only does have 30 hours on it, and yeah, it seems to be okay. I'm gonna run it this week a little bit and see, just make sure, knock the dust off of it. But other than that, everything so far is good. Definitely a sweet surprise to make sure everything is right. This is my neighbor's ski. He doesn't normally leave the covers off, but we have a tropical storm going through, so I guess he figured take off the skis. But that's kind of cool to see. They're both 3-seaters. Mine, his is, and then the other one is actually a 2-seater, which looks almost brand new. I think it is brand new. That's a very cool color. Check that out. Very cool. That's like just a little bonus something. I'll do more videos on my ski and what happened to my limited. Now it's gone. So hopefully this video helps somebody out. If you have any questions about anything, just let me know, and have a good day.